How to hard reset an HP PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix several issues by hard resetting your laptop. And these issues include maybe the computer's frozen, it's not responding to your mouse touches, keyboard touches, anything like that. You can usually easily fix that with a quick hard reset. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. Now, a hard reset will not affect the files on your computer. To do a hard reset, it's really easy. All we need to do is find the power button. And on this HP laptop, it's right up there in the top left, but you just want to find the power button. This can be in the center, in the top right, on the keyboard. And if you're on a desktop, it'll be usually on the front of your computer. But go ahead and just hold down the power button on your computer for around 10 to 15 seconds. You should see the screen turn off, maybe the backlight or lights on the keyboard turn off, or hear the fans turn off. Once it turns off, go ahead and hold it down for an extra 5 seconds. Then you can let go of the power button and then just hold down the power button for around 2 to 3 seconds. We're just going to force it to start back up and reboot. Then you can let go and give it around 10 to 15 seconds to boot up, and you see the display come on, and now it's turning on, and now it is booted up, and I can log into my computer and start using it after the hard reset. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.